Met Caerdydd a Pen-y-bont yn anelu am ei triphwynt cynta'r tymor heno yma. Y bêl gan Wait dros ben yr amddiffyn, dyma Mael Davies. Davies yn erbyn i gyn glwb. Yn croesi'n dda. O, camgymeriad gan Chubb. Watts ar peniad. Lang yn ei roed i'n syth i lwybr Nathan Wood sy'n sgorio gol gynta'r tymor. Dim ond 4 munud wedi chwarae yma. Blerwch yn yr amddiffyn. Chubb yn trio clirio'n methu gwneud. Watts ar peniad. Lang. Bydde fo bosib di gallu dal hwnna. Nathan Wood y sgoriwr. Rhedeg teg at yr amddiffyn. Wood, o, na chi bas yn hollti'r amddiffyn. Y bêl gan Watts. Watts ar y cynnig cynta. Yn methu'r nod. Am bas oedd hwnna gan Wood. McCarthy yn uchel i fewn i'r cwrt. Yn chwilio am Evans, y bêl yn rhydd. Chubb ar y foli. Morris yn arbed. Rosgrw yn adweithio gynta. Ac Adam Rosgrw yn rhwydo i gol gyngrau'r gynta ers ail ymuno a Met Caerdydd ar fenthyg o'r seintiau newydd. Unwaith eto Blerwch yn yr amddiffyn. Rosgrw ar flaen ei draed. Met Caerdydd di ennill i 3 gêm ddwytha yn erbyn Pen-y-bont. Fe'n gadw Llechen lan yn y 2 gêm honno. Dyma Rosgrw unwaith eto. Rosgrw i fewn i'r cwrt. Davies yn tynnu Rosgrw i'r llawr ac mae'n gic o'r smotyn i'r tîm cartre. Cerdyn melyn i Mael Davies. Mi oedd hi'n drosedd amlwg a cyfle i'r Met fynd ar y blaen. Elliot Evans felly gymryd y cyfrifoldeb. Evans yn gyrru Morris y ffordd anghywir. Ac mae'r myrfyrwyr ar y blaen am y tro cynta'r tymor yma. Gol gynta'r tymor hefyd i Elliot Evans. Chris Baker dros i ysgwydd at Evans ar flic ymlaen. Harry Owen. Owen yn gryfach na bod. Owen! Ac mae'n 2 i Met Caerdydd. Harry Owen yn sgorio gol gyntaf o'r tymor. Y flic gan Evans. Owen yn gynt na bod ac yn rhwydo heibio Morris. Cyn Owen dim llawio nôl y dyfarnwr. Owen yn curo Cosby at y bêl ac yn rhyddhau Wait. Wait y croesiad ar y cynnig cynta. O, mae Lang di gollwng i a Clutton i rwyd wag. Smonach gan y golwr. Da ni yn y funud ola. Gol gysur fyddi o bosib. Camgymeriad gan y golwr. Clutton yn manteisio. Met Caerdydd 3, Pen-y-bont 2.
They've been a bogey side of us for the last couple of seasons, but you know they're a well-organised team. They've grown into the league. They're a team in the league now that's varied about what they do and what they're about. They're a good, solid unit. And whether we surprised them, I don't know. But they would have watched the footage from the Bala game, and we performed well there, and we performed well again tonight.
We started the game really well. We finished it well, which is easy when you're 3-1 down. But the middle period of the game, I thought they were just a little bit better than us. In all areas really, and they probably when they were on top we probably didn't defend very well as a whole unit, and when we were on top, yeah, a couple of things might have fallen which didn't, but ultimately they defended quite well as well, so I can't complain with the result, to be honest with you.
Yeah, Pen-y-bont in the cup, you know, I know a few people there from my time at Swansea, and we always treat the cup with respect. It's something that has been an ambition of mine to try and go as far as we can in the competition. We've beat the 2 semi-finals, 4 quarter-finals, so we've got a good history in this, and we always treat it with respect. So we'll be going to Pen-y-bont with a fully loaded squad for Saturday.
Well, the thing with football is you get to have another go quite quickly, and so we'll be in Thursday now, and then yeah, obviously we want to bounce back with a victory against Dundee. Which would be difficult. We've had tough games against them over the years, so that won't be easy. And no games are easy, and that's what we need to learn. We didn't do what we did last year because we thought we were anything special. I don't think we think that now, but certainly we need to be a bit more switched on than we were for large periods of today.